Are you blind or bored?
Can you see in the dark?
Can you look at the king? Would you sit on his throne? Can you see with your eyes that it's worse than your birth? Are you caught on the walk?
When you're walking alone,
when you fall on your head, do you land on your feet?
Are you tense when you sense there's a storm in the air?
can you find your way right when you're lost in the street?
Do you know how to go to the heavy side layer?
Can you ride on a broomstick to places far distant? Familiar with candle, with book and with bell. Were you Whittington's friend?
The Piper's sister.
Have you been an alumnus of heaven and hell?
Are you mean like minks?
Are you lean like a lynx? Are you keen to be seen when you're smelling a rat?
Were you there when the pharaohs commissioned the Sphinx?
And what's his voice called? And Jellicles cats to begin with the sea.
Oh, yes.